So, what clothespins and sticks have in common? Well, nothing really, other than the fact that our producer thought they'd both make for a good game. So, the plan is to individually pick up these matchsticks with these clothes put into our bowls. This is not a bowl, this is a glass.
Ready?
Whoever has the most pins in the glass is the winner. Do we have a timer?
Are you ready? Are we ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go. Come to me on
You play some music now, so that song like.
That's for you.
Come to the one now. I am the luckiest guy in the world. Oh, finally.
Well, we do this every day at our house.
No, you cannot do
It's
that.
so aggish.
You cannot
Why
do
must
that.
come so? Why have to take up all of them? If you are what you say,
What's that?
a shooting star, have no fear.
You cannot do that.
Bow, bow, bow. Ah, do,
The teeth.
oh, oh.
How good.
No, no, no.
So the teeth.
These trees mines. One.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16.
I have
16.
23.
How's that?
By a quick scan. I just told you.
1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18,
20!
21. You're a crook.
I did it for
No, you
children.
didn't.
I did.
You're a crook.
So it's very brazen.
So there you go, folks. So
And
if you want to
daring.
know how to use a clothespin to pick up a matchstick, we just showed you how.
If you want to learn how to do that, we also offer that as a service. You
Yep.
can call us at
555-00-00.
Oh,
There you go. Don't leave out the O.
simple.
Huh?
All right.
Oh, and remember 876.
4658. Which
Stay with us, folks.
4658, yeah?
No? I don't know. It's
That's
only
not your
876 I use.
Yeah, remember,
Is I use the two of them, or certain areas in the country use one and certain
everybody
areas.
supposed to be able to use everything.
Okay, well,
Yeah,
so-
it's supposed to be, I don't know.
All right, folks, stay with us. We're going to show you how to destination when we come back from the break, which will be soon. So, we'll soon come.